Hi. This video will show you 2 ways to find exe file of a software installed in your Windows PC. Method 1. Normally, if you go to Start, select a software, right-click and go to Open File Location. It will show you the exe file of the selected software. Either you can simply use it, or can go to Open File Location again to go the deep of the software to get the exe again. Method 2. But for some software, you may not get this way shown in Method 1. Here I cannot find Open File Location for these software. So, we need to use Run menu. Press Windows and R and go to Run. Type this. Press OK. Here you will find the exe files of all the software installed included not showing one. Simply right-click on any one of the list. Then create shortcut. Yes. A shortcut or exe file will be created in the desktop. Just find it and use normally from the desktop. So, these are the ways to find out exe files of any installed software in Windows PC. Hope you are with us and also subscribed. Goodbye.